This video explains what a medallion tag is and when to use it. What is a medallion tag? Before you forget, like and subscribe to this channel. A medallion tag is a single-use wearable device provided to passengers during check-in on embarkation day. Check out our video capturing Day 1, Embarkation Day. It is a small round device that is worn around the neck with the attached lanyard. The medallion tag is about the size of a half US dollar coin and weighs 0.39 ounce. The magic behind the medallion tag is part of the ocean medallion technology introduced by Princess Cruises. It utilizes near-field communication NFC and Bluetooth technology to connect passengers with various services and amenities on the ship, creating a personalized and seamless cruise experience. Each medallion tag is laser-etched with your name, the name of the ship you're sailing on, and the date of the sailing. When do you use the medallion tag? The medallion tag is typically used throughout your cruise journey, starting from embarkation day until disembarkation. Here are some common instances when you would use the medallion tag. Embarkation and disembarkation. When boarding or leaving the cruise ship for excursions, you are required to scan your medallion tag. Cabin access. The medallion tag serves as your key to access your cabin. You can use it to unlock your cabin doors simply by holding it close to the designated sensor. Locate your shipmate. The medallion tag, in combination with the ship's mobile app, can assist you in finding your shipmate by displaying their location on the deck's layout. Onboard purchases. You can use it to pay for drinks, meals, souvenirs, spa treatments, and other amenities. Now that you have learned about the medallion tag, like and subscribe to this channel. Be sure to check out our other videos for more incredible content and adventures.